Hey there, welcome back. It's Lisa Appia, Certified Career and Resume Strategist. This is a LinkedIn quick tip, and today we're covering the basics. How do you actually sign up for a LinkedIn account? So let's get right into it. Firstly, you have to go to linkedin.com. You can sign up either by using your Google account, which is one of the quickest and easiest ways. If you have a Gmail account, then you can use that route. But today we'll just cover how do you do it if you sign up using your email address, basically. So I am going to use an email address here that we have at WeApply. I'm just going to use WeApply Canada gmail.com, and enter your password. From there, you agree and join. First name, I will put dummy account for WeApply. Obviously, you put your first and your last name. Then you continue. Security verification takes place. You are signed up. It's that quick, eh? You just need to confirm your location. I have something that just came to my email, so I think they want me to verify this so we can confirm that is my location. I'm in Ottawa. Most recent job title, founder and self-employed. And then obviously you want to put this information for yourself. And I am doing this using my company information. So where WeApply Career Services. And then that was the code that was probably sent to my email. And so here is the code that they sent me. I'm actively looking for a job, not really, but would consider the right opportunity. I'm not interested in career opportunities, so I'm not looking for a job, so that's the choice I'll make. Okay, so now in terms of adding photo, as you see, you can use Google Photos, or you can upload something that is already on your computer. I highly encourage you to add a picture to your LinkedIn profile. It gives your profile a personality, and it gives people a good sense of who you are. A picture where you look personable, where they can see up to your shoulders, your face. Not a selfie preferably, but a good picture that you have. Doesn't need to be professionally taken, but a professional photo. I'm just using a random picture right now, but I encourage you to put a picture of yourself. Okay, so my photo's too large. Let's just skip this for now. We'll come back. Boost your job search with the app. So if you want to get the LinkedIn app, you can definitely do that. Most people do use LinkedIn on the app, so just keep that in mind. And then follow companies. So these are companies and people that you can follow. And it all helps in terms of LinkedIn being able to recommend the right accounts to you that align with your interest and also align with the people who are closest to you. So for now, I'm going to skip this part, but this is something that you can do, especially looking at people who live, let's say, in Canada, if depending on where you live, or people who work for the same employer, people who are in the same industry as you. That way you will be able to get some recommendations on how to proceed, and that LinkedIn can recommend the right accounts to you from there. Pretty straightforward. There you go. You have set up your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this helpful. This is basically how you set up your LinkedIn account. I have another video where I go in depth about how to now create your LinkedIn profile. So I'm sharing that video right here, and you can take a look at it. Take care. See you in that one.